Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video. Just tap on this option, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So let's enter the settings just by tapping on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and let's take a look at this option bar at the very top. Right now we've got 1080p option applied because it is highlighted. We've got also 30 frames per second, but we can choose also 720p with 30 frames per second, 1080p with 60 frames per second, and also 4K options. So obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick, for example, 4K. Let me tap on it, and as you can see right now, this option is highlighted, so it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality and resolution. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.